Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Finance shortcut on your desktop. This is a simple way to quickly access financial data, stock prices, and market news with just one click. First, open your browser and go to google.com/finance. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Click the Sign In button at the top right if needed. Select your account and enter your password. Being signed in ensures you can access all your data and personalized information. Once you're on the Google Finance homepage, look for the Google Finance logo in the top left corner. This is what we'll use to create the shortcut. Now, click and hold the logo, then drag it directly onto your desktop. Release the mouse button and you'll see a shortcut appear. Double-click it to test, and it should open Google Finance in your default browser immediately. This shortcut is especially useful if you check stock prices or financial news frequently. It saves time and keeps everything just a click away. A couple of tips. Make sure your browser allows creating desktop shortcuts. Most modern browsers do, but some settings may need adjusting. Also, consider organizing your desktop. You could create a folder for financial tools so that your new Google Finance shortcut is easy to find and use. And that's it. You now have a Google Finance shortcut on your desktop. With it, you can quickly access the latest market trends, investment news, and financial data whenever you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or colleagues who might find it helpful. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.